So it's nighttime, and this is the view I'm seeing. I'm sitting in my truck, looking straight out ahead, just at the street ahead of me. But this is the symphony that I have. Take a listen. So that sweet, sweet, lovely sound you're hearing is Manuel snoring and my homie Tavi snoring. That's Manuel. That's Tavi. That's Manuel. That's Tavi. Just giving you a little rundown of my beautiful night here. Morning here in Pomona. Tis my life. Tis my life. Meanwhile, I'm still here trying to drink my beer, and I'll probably be the third one chiming in with them snores in a minute. Not a minute. I finished my brews first. Fuck that. This is so funny. To me. And yeah, it's funny to me. If you guys don't like it, fuck it, I'm sorry. But I just thought it was really funny because this is my life and this is a little snippet into what the fuck I'm going through. So peace out.